Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ayun na, Mismo. Okay. So today, gagawin natin ay ang inyong love reading at para ito sa lahat ng Scorpio. Ayan. So hello po sa mga Scorpio dyan. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na suporta at pagsubaybay sa aking channel. Okay, sobrang appreciated po. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading. At sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, sana po supportahan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. And para mag-grow yung channel ko at marami pa akong magawang love readings para sa inyo. Please also like, share, and comment sa baba. Okay, so ang gawin natin ay 8 card spread today kung saan bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Okay. Tapos bubunot ako ng 8 cards from the other deck. Okay, tapos interpret natin siya. Okay. So, as I always do in this channel, I remind everyone na ito ay isang collective and general love reading. So, it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi po talaga, ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo sa reading na to. Kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na sa channel. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? So, yan. Best din kung mag-book na lang kayo ng private personal love reading. Nasa description box naman yung email address ko kasi mas naka-align or tune yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, so let's begin. So tingnan natin ano yung kaganapan sa inyong love life ngayong third week na or second half ng May. Okay, so I'll get the 5th card. I'll may pray ngayon. Oops, the devil again. And 3, 4. Okay, Page of Wands. Okay. There's you can see here na medyo immature yung person ninyo. And siguro dahil parang nasa first parts pa lang kayo ng relasyon, so possible nga nakakakilala nyo pa lang, so wala pang deep connection, you're still getting to know your person, or pero highly infatuated kayo sa isa't isa. So more on the flirty, fiery energy pa lang meron sa relasyon ninyo. Ito yung nasasagap kong energy. So, if you think that you're already in a committed relationship, baka hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. Pero tingnan natin kasi yung mga susunod pang cards. Pero ito, nasa parang fresh stage pa lang kayo. And yung person ninyo has this manipulative energy. Ito yung nasasagap ko at the moment. Kaya, medyo ito yung meron siyang personality na ka-attract sa inyo, pero hindi niyo napapansin na medyo may manipulative tendency siya. Magaling siyang mambola, magaling siyang alam niyo yung best foot forward lagi. Syempre nasa fresh or first stages pa lang kayo ng relasyon, so ang galing niyang mag-act in order to get your attention or fall for him or her that fast. Tapos, possible na physical lang ang gusto niya sa'yo. parang very attractive din tong person na to, and he or she is using that physical trait to lure you sa mga gusto niyang gawin na would only benefit him or her. Okay, so be careful. Okay. So, Nine of Pentacles, it's a card of freedom. I can see. Okay. That's why. So, possible man na ma-jeopardize yung sense of freedom ninyo, sense of happiness ninyo, or yung current situation ninyo at that moment na parang ang saya nyo na as a single, well, not always as a single person, but not with or without this person. Okay, pero parang ma-jeopardize siya. And here with the Five of Swords showing up in relation to the sense of freedom and stability na currently meron na kayo talaga. Okay, and independence and security in your life. Baka magulo pa yan, magkaroon pa ng chaos. As shown here by the Five of Swords, which is a card of conflict. And maraming red flags itong person ninyo. Okay? As shown nga, umpisa pa lang the devil card energy yung meron siya. Na itong, wag din kayo masyadong siguro, this is a sign that you have to be self-aware sa mga manipulative actions or mga, alam mo yun, activities na ginagawa lang ng person na to para makuha yung gusto lang niya sa inyo. Pero hindi niya talaga kayo mahal. Or there's no really like emotional aspect or alam mo yun. Okay? Okay, the Empress. Energy. And King of Wands. So here, with the Empress and King of Wands here, mas nakikita ko ito na sa'yo. You want a caring, nurturing. Ikaw din pa medyo you have this Empress energy na very caring, very nurturing, very loving person. And that's also what very sensual din. Alam mo yun, there is a lot of sensuality kasi happening in your relationship at the moment. Okay, and baka parang dahil doon mawala yung sense of, alam mo yun, insight. Baka mawala ka sa sarili dahil nga, ito I can see here na magaling nga rin siya sa mga aspeto ng sensuality, pero it is part of the scheme kasi to just get what he or she wants from you. And what he or she wants, i-align ninyo sa current situation ninyo. Kasi pwedeng ang habol lang niya pala sa inyo is your like physical, diba, asset na gusto lang kayo i-kama or may gusto lang may mangyari sa inyo, tapos once na pumigay ka na, okay, bye-bye na rin, okay, or baka financial yung gusto sa inyo, tapos nililigaw-ligawan kayo just to get money from you. Alright, so careful, check nyo, i-assess niyo ano ba yung parang ngayon, kung may awareness na kayo, ano yung parang unti-unting gustong makuha sa inyo eventually. Diba? So, makikita nyo naman yung kung sincere yung tao o hindi. Diba? May mga skip, tapos baka may mga gaslighting pa na nangyayari pag hindi mo binigay yung gusto nila. Ganyan. Okay, so careful kasi here with the King of Wands nga, what you want is honesty naman talaga sa relationship and the relationship dynamics. Pero given na may ganun tendency, pwedeng ganito yung pinapakita niya at the moment, na caring siya, na quote and quote, he or she is putting so much effort in the relationship, pero acting lang yun. Okay? See, the star. Okay, and 9 of coins. So this is what actually you're hoping for, and what you really want with the 9 of coins here kasi is, I think, and what this person wants from you, and what this person hopes is, again, tingnan mo, 9 of pentacles and 9 of coins. Diba? At the moment kasi you're parang nag double confirm lang siya. Si 9 of pentacles and 9 of coins, isa lang siya. Pentacles and coins are the same. So, and from the two different decks, lumabas siya pareho. So, it's your sense of independence, security, and of current freedom and happiness that you have. You want actually to maintain it, and sana you're hoping na ma-achieve mo rin the same feeling with this person. Pero given na manipulative siya and mga acting lang din yung pinapakita niya just to get what you want, possible na talaga na ma-jeopardize ito, that what you're hoping for. See, Knight of Wands, another card of freedom. Okay, and Ace of Coins. Alam mo, parang, ewan ko, I have this energy download, or may download sa akin, and I can feel the energy na money yung habol din ng person na to sa iyo. Possible that, given that you both 9 of coins here lumalabas, it's also as an energy on your end that you are very capable and very stable financially. And ito yung gustong makuha din, or nung itong manipulative person na to. Kasi here with the Knight of Wands here with the Ace of Coins, it's parang you have parang ang dami mong mga investments, ang dami mong kahit sabihin natin na not as much as like yung mga big corporations ngayon, pero you're very secure ka financially. And with the Knight of Wands here, kasi Knight of Wands is also a card of pursuit, or gusto kang, yun nga, kaya biglang nag-download sa akin nung lumabas tong cards na to, na feeling ko pinupursu ka lang din ng person na to because of your finances. Alam mo yun? Or parang initial attraction niya sa'yo is because good looking ka. Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, you have you're quite attractive, tapos you're financially okay pa, di ba? Pero mas naka-focus tong person na to sa'yo because of financial matter, na pag nawala yun, parang ay magdadalawang isip siya if ipupursue ka niya or not, kahit sobrang attractive mo. See? Tapos lumabas pa tong 8 of Swords. Careful, because there's a sign na baka maging mas stuck ka sa isang situation. Diba? See, Knight of Swords. Careful. Parang sinasabi ni universe dito is also be careful sa pagiging impulsive, because Knight of Wands is a card of impulsiveness, pero nakakabit siya with 8 of Swords, which is a card of feeling stuck and trapped in a situation na ayaw mo. And then, so kung napapanood mo to ngayon, it's a reminder for you to be cautious and really assess the situation properly, lalo na you're dealing with someone with the devil energy. Okay? Na baka ma-stuck ka lang. Baka yung tendency mo dito na, ayun, kasi ikaw yung tendency na pag na-in love ka, nagkagusto ka, parang nagiging bulag ka sa totoong nangyayari. And quote and quote, sorry for the term, pero parang nagiging syunga-syunga ka pagdating, pag na-in love ka na. So, careful kasi this manipulative person, magaling siya sa ganyan na parang pag nakikita niya na, okay, medyo vulnerable tong tao na to, I'll use that to get what I want. And what this person wants is your financial stability. So, Six of Pentacles, card of gratitude. See, the Lovers. Ayan. So, I think yung Lovers card here na lumalabas in terms of gratitude is first, love yourself first. Ito yung mas nakikita ko dito. Itong Lovers card is a love towards yourself and be grateful na dumating tong person na to, made you happy, show you the love, pero how real the love is. Pero here kasi with the love card, it's a relationship, and the six of coins showing up here na very generous ka rin kasi. Careful. Again, parang ito, it's also because Six of Coins is a card of generosity and reciprocation. Lalo na kapag nag-in love ka, very generous ka, and kahit kung ito very manipulative siya, parang kala mo nagre-reciprocate siya. So, i-reciprocate mo siya, lalo na through your finances or through gifts or other matters relating to money, di ba? Pero, again, is that real love or it's just an acting? See, tingnan mo, lumabas si Five of Cups. Careful ka talaga dito na kasi may tendency ka talaga na kapag nag-in love ka, bigay ka ng bigay, tapos kala mo nire-reciprocate ka pero minamanipulate ka lang pala na may reciprocation kasi lumabas doon si Five of Cups. It's a card of sadness and failure, and kung nakakabit siya sa Nine of Cups, parang ninenegate na kasi, or Nine of Cups is so umalog yung mesa. Five of Cups and Nine of Cups. So si Nine of Cups kasi is a card of success, satisfaction, and fulfillment in a relationship. Pero parang kumabit siya bigla kay Five of Cups, which is a card of loss, sadness, and regret. Diba? And failure in the relationship. Diba? So, pwedeng yung ine-expect mo sana na happiness, wala yun. In the end, kala mo meron. Okay? Ang nangyayari pa rin sa sitwasyon at the moment with this manipulative person, having this the devil energy na only flirting with you. Okay? And very immature. Meron siya yung immaturity pa. Okay? Very red flag. Ang daming red flags. May card kanina, di ba, na showing red flags. Ito, Five of Swords here. Okay? The Five of Swords, ang dami niyang red flags. So, kung nabulag ka dun sa mga red flags na yon, okay, wake up. Kasi, at in the end, kala mo love yon, pero hindi. It's just a way of manipulating you. Kasi kapag parang alam na rin niya na kapag nagmahal ka, bibigay mo yung gusto niya. Pero careful kasi nga, with the Five of Cups here, imbis na ito yung kala mo, ito yung nangyayari, yung Nine of Cups, but apparently, in the end, bigla magugulat ka na lang na once na nakuha na yung gusto sa'yo, ayan, wala na. Okay, and you will be left hanging in and crying, left in the cold, crying and weeping because masakit yung lalo na pag kala mo yun na pinaasa ka tapos biglang boom, nakuha na yung gusto tapos wala na. Alright, so careful. I'm just interpreting what's showing up in the cards. Okay, so use this reading with discernment. Pero sana nakatulong ito sa awareness ninyo. Kung feel nyo na parang ganito yung nandito kayo sa ganitong sitwasyon, okay, start being cautious na. And check nyo talaga how sincere the person is. Pag na-prove nyo naman na sincere, again, di ba, baka kala nyo lang ganito. Kaya sabi ko that this reading should be used with discernment. Okay? Alright? And so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat!